There are 7 different colors of the rainbow. There are 7 different colors of the rainbow. There are 7 different colors of the rainbow. Oh. Now it starts with red, red, like the ball on my head. Could it be an apple or tomato instead? Whoa. Rainbow. Then orange is next, next. Eat a carrot and flex. Open an umbrella so you don't get wet. Whoa. Rainbow. Now it's yellow time, time, like a ray of sunshine. I tried to eat a lemon, but I changed my mind. Whoa. Rainbow. Next up is green, green, like the frog on your screen. Open up your hand and take a scoop of ice cream. Whoa. Rainbow. Now we're on to blue, blue, like the gum on my shoe. I tried to pull it off, but I just got stuck too. Whoa. Rainbow. There are 7 different colors of the rainbow. There are 7 different colors of the rainbow. There are 7 different colors of the rainbow. Oh. Now we're almost through, but there is indigo too. A little bit of purple and a little bit of blue. Whoa. Indigo. And violet is last. Now, wasn't that fast? Now we know the colors of the rainbow. Now we know the colors of the rainbow. Now we know the colors of the rainbow. Oh. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. There are 7 different colors of the rainbow. There are 7 different colors of the rainbow. There are 7 different colors of the rainbow. Oh. 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 Think of all the things that grow in the sky above and the ocean below. Now I may be a little bigger than you, but as you grow you'll get bigger too. Think about a great big tree. It started out as a tiny little seed. It needed the sun to help it grow. Now little seed's not little anymore. A tree, this pear, that frog, my hair. These are all things that grow. And hey, it's true, you're growing too. These are all things that grow. Think about a butterfly. Used to be a little caterpillar guy. Spent 7 days in a little cocoon. Now we can watch him fly around the room. This cat, your ears, that corn, my beard. These are all things that grow. And hey, it's true, you're growing too. These are all things that grow. Think of all the things that grow in the sky above and the ocean below. Now I may be a little bigger than you, but as you grow you'll get bigger too. this beat, that duck, my feet. These are all things that grow. Just wait and see, you'll grow like me. These are all things that grow. Think of all the things that grow. Think of all the things that grow. Easter is finally here. It's a very special time of the year. I've got some Easter eggs and a big surprise. How many jelly beans are hiding inside a yellow Easter egg? A yellow Easter egg. How many jelly beans are hiding inside? 1, 2, 3. An orange Easter egg. An orange Easter egg. How many jelly beans are hiding inside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A purple Easter egg. A purple Easter egg. How many jelly beans are hiding inside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The golden Easter egg. The golden Easter egg. How many jelly beans are hiding inside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Easter is finally here. It's a very special time of the year. I've got some Easter eggs and a big surprise. How many jelly beans are hiding inside? Well, there are so many different foods. Let's meet some that are good for you. Vegetables, vegetables, where are you? Broccoli, broccoli, you're green. And you're the sweetest little veggie I've ever seen. Broccoli, broccoli, you're green. Carrot, you're long. And you're the only one that's orange in this song. Carrot, you're long. There are so different foods. Let's meet some that are good for you. Vegetables, vegetables, where are you? Cauliflower, cauliflower, you're white, and you are very hard to grow, but that's alright. Cauliflower, cauliflower, you're white. Lettuce, lettuce, you're leafy, and you're an exceptional source of vitamin C. Lettuce, lettuce, you're leafy. Corn on the cob, you're corn, and you are also on the cob. Corn on the cob, you're corn. There are so many different foods. Let's meet some that are good for you. Vegetables, vegetables, where are you?
Hey grown-ups, don't forget to visit Mooseclumps.com to find t-shirts, stickers, signed posters, and tons of downloadable Mooseclumps content. Thanks for watching.